If you're planning to tackle a tile project and want the cleanest cuts without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the best manual tile cutters you can buy right now, ranked from weakest to best. Kicking off our list at the bottom, we've got the GarveeTech LLT PIS. Now, this one's a bit of a mystery. There's very little confirmed info out there, no solid specs, no hands-on reviews, but it showed up in the same category, so we give it a fair shot. If we go by what's typical for cutters like this, it likely handles tiles up to around 24 inches long and includes a tungsten carbide wheel for scoring. It might even have a steel base and ergonomic handle, just like its more popular rivals. But without verified details or user feedback, that's all just educated guessing. And that's exactly the problem. When you're cutting something as unforgiving as tile, you want reliability. With this one, you're basically buying blind. We just can't recommend a tool that's floating in a cloud of uncertainty, especially when better, proven options are out there. This cutter might appeal to someone who's working on a very low budget and willing to gamble. But if you're serious about your project, hang in there, we've got much better options ahead. Next up is the SPEEDWOX 8-inch Mosaic nippers. Perfect for those delicate, artsy mosaic jobs, but definitely not your all-purpose tile tool. Ranking second to last, this is a specialized tool that's great at what it does, just not what most people need. What stands out here is its compact design and comfortable spring-loaded handle, which makes it easy to use for long sessions. If you're trimming small glass pieces or cutting tiny tile segments for a mosaic, this thing really shines. It's built tough with high carbon steel and gives you nice control without too much hand strain. That said, this tool isn't meant for big tiles or clean, straight lines. The cutting head is on the chunky side, which makes it harder to get precise cuts in tight corners. Compared to full-size manual tile cutters, it's just not in the same league for flooring or backsplash work. So who is this for? If you're a DIY crafter or working on detailed mosaic art, it's a solid, affordable choice. But if you're doing kitchens or a bathroom floor, this isn't your guy. Oh, and if you're finding this helpful so far, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more tool reviews. In third place, we've got the Seeutek BZ-1692. Now we're moving into more serious territory for real tile projects. This cutter is compact and affordable, making it a popular pick for small home renovations. It's designed to cut ceramic and porcelain tiles with a decent range of thickness. The double rail system gives it some much needed stability, and the ergonomic handle helps reduce fatigue while scoring tile. You even get a bonus cutting wheel, which is a nice touch at this price point. Still, it's not without flaws. The build quality is hit or miss. Some users report that the materials feel cheap or inconsistent. It also struggles with smaller tile pieces, which can slip or crack if you're not extra careful. So while it's more dependable than the previous two, it's still best for simpler tasks. If you're a homeowner working on a backsplash or a small bathroom, this cutter will get the job done without breaking your budget. And by the way, you'll find links to all these tile cutters at the best prices in the description below. Just missing the top spot, the VEVOR 17-inch tile cutter brings some serious value to the table. It's a big step up from the budget models and offers better accuracy, more stability, and a build that feels like it'll last. One thing that stands out is the double rail construction and anti-skid feet, which keep the cutter steady even during tougher jobs. It's user-friendly too. There's a built-in ruler and angle guide that help you line up your cuts without too much fuss. And for straight cuts, it's really consistent. It's not perfect though. The laser guide that comes with it often needs to be adjusted, and if you're doing angled cuts, it may take some trial and error to get them just right. Still, compared to most cutters in this price range, it's punching way above its weight. This cutter's a great pick for anyone doing regular tile work. Maybe you're remodeling your bathroom or laying floor tiles in a rental unit. It gives you the control and durability you need without jumping into pro-level prices. And coming in at number 1, the top dog of this roundup, the Seeutek SY-654-0220. If you want the best mix of capacity, quality, and price, this is the one to beat. With a 24-inch cutting range, it handles most tile sizes you'll find at your local hardware store. The build is rock solid thanks to steel rails and a heavy-duty base. Plus, the scoring wheel is sharp and long-lasting, and there's even a spare one included so you're not left hanging mid-project. Now, it's a little bulkier than the others, which means it's not the most portable option out there. And while it nails straight cuts, it doesn't have some of the fancy alignment features higher-end pro tools might include. But let's be real, for the price, this thing is a powerhouse. If you've got a full room to tile, or you just want a reliable cutter that can handle big jobs without drama, this is hands down the best value on the list. There you have it, our picks for the best manual tile cutters out there right now. All the top products from this review are linked in the description below at the best prices, so make sure to check those out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest reviews to help you pick the right tools for your next project.